Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your expressions in photos like magic using CapCut. So CapCut just dropped a game-changing feature that lets you change facial expressions in photos using videos as a reference. And if you want to turn maybe a serious face into a smile or make your edits more fun and dynamic, this tutorial will help you how you can do it step by step. So what you need to do is just open CapCut and tap on new project and choose a photo that you want to change its expression. For example, here I'm going to just use this one. You can tap on add. Okay, so what you need to do next is click on the photo and swipe on the toolbar at the bottom and choose this one, change expressions. Click on it and you can see upload a video to bring your image to life. So you can you need to upload a video featuring one real person facing forward. Okay, so here I'm going to use this video as reference. Click on add and now CapCut will recognizing the video. And here is the reference video. Now we can just tap on generate and just wait until the changing expressions feature applied to your photos. As you guys can see, this is the before look. So this person Zayn Malik is not smiling in the photo, and I'm going to change it into a smiley face. So you can just wait, and it's still processing. Let's just wait until it's done. Okay, so now the facial expression has been changed and let's see the result. You can just play it. So that's the result. I think no, it's not a smiley face that I expected, but that's basically it. So now the photo has come to life using this change expressions features on CapCut. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks button below. Don't forget to use this to try this new feature on CapCut to make your photos come to life with funny expressions. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!